Hi, my name is Monica Taylor Lee, and I am a massage therapist and owner of Hands-On Massage Therapy here in Cheyenne. I moved in 2000 from Iowa to Cheyenne. My job was relocating out here, and I have been here ever since. I have started a family, actually started a new career, opened a massage business, and needless to say, I'm here for the long haul. When you ask why Cheyenne, the old real estate adage of location, 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 I think that Cheyenne has such a great location to live and work. It's a big town, but it's not too big. It's a small town, but it's not too small. It's a great place to do business, but then you're so close to everything. Growing up in Iowa, we didn't have mountains, so when we would take family vacations out west, it was always such an eye-opener to see the mountains, and I always thought that I wanted to live somewhere that had mountains. Obviously, Cheyenne doesn't have mountains specifically, but again, the location, we're 45 minutes to an hour from mountains, even closer for a lot of outdoor activities of hiking and biking and snowshoeing and that. But then we're only 90 minutes from Denver, and there's some things in Denver that Wyoming will never have, and that's like the Denver Zoo, the Nature History Museum, whatever that is, all of those. And of course, all the sports teams, the professional sports that you can go down, you're only a hop, skip, and a jump away, and you don't have to worry about staying down there for the night. You can just make a day trip if you want. But then there's the other side of that. It is 90 minutes away, and we talk about trying to get out of Cheyenne or have people come in to visit you, and having air service, being able to fly right out of Cheyenne. I just flew in yesterday into Cheyenne, and it's so convenient to not have to worry about the traffic and the weather and all of that when you're having to land in Denver and still drive that 90 minutes up to Cheyenne, and I leave again in a few weeks, so it's really nice to be able to have the option of reliable air service in and out of this small community. And not to mention the change of seasons. Like, there's so many things to do in every season out here. Favorite time, of course, for me would be summertime, where we've got Fridays at the Plaza, and you can be involved in different events that you want to be. I'm part of the Wyoming Brewers Festival Committee. We're celebrating our 25th year this year, and it's a small enough place that you can do whatever you want and be as involved as you want to be within the community. So it's a place that is really near and dear to my heart, and I'm so happy to be able to call this place my home.